What's going on, everybody? Joshua here from Shilling IT. Last time I showed you how to sync your Windows computer with OneDrive. I'll put that video somewhere up on the screen so you can check that out. But today we're switching over to the Apple side and I will show you how to sync your desktop and documents with OneDrive on your Mac. So let's flip on over to the Mac desktop and let's get started. Over on the Mac, you can see I already have the website open. I will put this link in the description so you can quickly navigate to it. Once you got that page loaded, you'll end up hitting that blue download button. You might get this pop-up that says, do you want to allow downloads? You'll hit allow. Once that's done downloading, you want to open up that installer. Once that installer opens, hit continue. You want to install this for all users of the machine. We'll hit install. This is where you'll type in your admin credentials and then hit install software. You can see in the top right corner that it does have some background items added. Once that installation is done, you can hit close. It might prompt you to move that installer file to trash. You'll want to do that. From here, we'll want to open up OneDrive. You'll want to go to the Launchpad and find OneDrive. Once OneDrive opens, you'll want to type in your email address, hit sign in. You'll be prompted to type in your password. You want to enter that password. After it's all signed in, you want to go through the prompts. It'll need some permissions to finish setting up. We'll hit next. We'll hit OK. And then here, it's just giving you some information about OneDrive to help you get to know OneDrive. So if you want to add items, you drag or move them into the OneDrive folder. This one's letting you know you can share files and folders with others. This one's letting you know you should plan for offline use. On any file or folder, you can right-click, select the option Always Keep on this device. Then it should have a checkmark indicator saying it is offline. This one's letting you know you can get the mobile app so you can get your files on the go. I'm just going to hit later on this one. This one's letting you know we can just open up the OneDrive folder. Let's click on that button. As you can see, it's pulling out some of the folders I already have, my attachments, my desktop, my documents, my pictures. The main reason for this video is so we can sync anything on your desktop and anything in your documents folder to OneDrive automatically. So we'll end up going in the top right corner, clicking on that OneDrive cloud. I'm going to close out of those notification badges. I'm going to hit this gear in the top right corner. We're going to go to Preferences. This should open up another window. We'll want to go to the Backup tab. You can see here there's important Mac folders, backup files in the desktop and documents folders to OneDrive, so they're protected and available on your other devices. We'll want to hit Manage Backup. This is where it's letting you know that it does need additional permissions. We'll hit System Preferences in the bottom right. It should automatically open up the system preferences. Depending on your macOS version, this might look a little different and how you navigate to it, but essentially you'll be in the privacy and security section and you go under the full disk option and you'll want to make sure that OneDrive has rights to full disk. I'm just going to toggle this on for OneDrive. It is going to ask for your password. You want to type that in, and it does need to restart OneDrive, so we'll hit quit and reopen. Now you can see the OneDrive icon is back up in the top right corner. We're going to go back in the settings, preferences, backup tab, manage backup, and then we'll want to make sure desktop and documents are selected. After those are selected, hit start backup, and that may take some time depending on how much data you already have on your Mac or how much data you already have in OneDrive. The syncing is going to happen in the background. It's not going to disrupt your work, so you can let that go. Now anything on your desktop and anything in your documents folder are going to be backed up automatically to OneDrive, so in case your Mac crashes or you're away from your Mac, you always have access to your files. That about does it for this video, guys. I hope this video was short and sweet. I really hope that you enable this feature so you can start protecting your files. And for any of the people using Windows machines, I'll make sure there's a link somewhere on this video or a link in the description for that video so you guys can also protect your data. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video or a thumbs down if you didn't. Let us know how we're doing in the comments down below or if you would like to see any specific videos. And definitely hit that subscribe button to make sure you get notified for all of our latest videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.